So we have seen yesterday about the what is 4%, and today we are going to learn what are the rules to become 4%. So first rules is to have a clear vision. Have a clear vision. We start from here. Have a clear vision. Look, whatever is happening in our life, it's because we don't have a vision. I'm talking about the personal life. Okay? Vision is so powerful that you will be away. If you know what is your vision, you will be away from the ignorance and the violence. If you are married and if you have a kid, I request you from the day one in your child brain, please feed them the vision what they want in their life. If they have a strong vision in their mind, they will do to get that whatever they want. They will follow only those people and they will approach only those people who can get them the vision. So I request, put there in mind that vision, and to achieve that, what is there required. Now there can be 4 steps about the vision. Is what is the vision? Then would be a why that vision is so important for you. The third would be how. What are the steps you are going to take to achieve this vision? Hello Vimal. Hello, hi. And fourth one would be the when. What is the time period you want to achieve that vision? So I strongly and request you that if you are married and if you have a baby, or you have brother, sister and they have got their baby, please tell them to put their in child brain that vision, what is vision and how they can achieve it. It's very important. Okay. See, if you want to eat for 1 year, you need to grow a rice. If you live for 10 years, you need to plant a tree. If you want to live for 100 years, you need to educate the children. And if you educate the children with a vision, they will be not having a ignorance, they will not be falling into a violence. That's all. Whatever happening into today's life, people are going into ignorance and violence, this terrorist problem, this politics, all these things, because every person don't have a vision. If each person have a vision, he will do only whatever he wants, because they don't know what they want in life. That's the reason they are following others and falling in the trap of this politics and the terrorism and all those kind of things. Okay. Second rule is do not complain. Do not complain. Hope my spelling is right here. This is, hi Navnath, hi. Do not complain in life. This is something you cannot change, or you are not willing to change. If you can change something, then please go out and change it. If you cannot change it, then please shut and do and work on your vision. That's all. But do not complain. If you want to reform something, you are complaining what? Because it's not feeling right for you. And that's why you are complaining. And if you are not feeling right, please go out and change that. And if you are not willing to do that, then please follow your vision quietly. The third rule is learn something new today. Learn something new today. Hope my spelling is right here. I'll just rub off this. Learn something new today. How many of you we are learning something new? We are just working on the flow of life, whatever life is giving back to us. First of all, we don't have vision and we are complaining in everything, and whatever is life is throwing on us, we are accepting and working accordingly. So please learn something new. If you are eating in a right hand, try to eat in a left hand. If you are going office in one direction, then try to take another route and take a dash. If you are a chef, then work on online and learn some digital tools. If you are a master in digital tools, then learn some cooking. It will give you a different perspective of life and think differently. Fourth one is sweat every day. Sweat every day. Now this is very important to keep away from any disease and any, to keep your life fresh and active. If you do not exercise, then you are going for a task. Do sweat every day, early in the morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time you are comfortable. Please do sweat. I am in Bangalore, but it's due to cold season. We hardly, even though if I start running also, I hardly sweat here. But sweating is very important. It will keep you out of disease and keep you boosting. It will keep you active, your mind to think something different. The fifth one is give away to get more. Give away to get more. This is very important. It's called charity or donation, whatever you can call it. Always, whatever you are earning, give 10% of that to charity. Charity can be anything, to the temple, to the Goshala, to the poor children education, for a food relief, for a flood relief, or whatever it is. Always, whatever you are earning, first 10% of it, please give away. You never know how it will go from another place and it will come back to you. It is very powerful. You see any rich people's biography, whether Ambani, Tata, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, anyone, everyone gives charity. That's why they are rich. Now don't give a charity to become rich. I am just saying it's a science. If you give from one end, it will come back to you again. Then don't be cheap on your journey. 6. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap on your journey to success. Whatever you are doing, do with the best thing. Whatever you are having, have a best thing. Don't be cheap. Have minimal but have the best. I repeat, have minimal but have the best. Being cheap, you will also be falling into cheap trap. If you want to create something best, then follow the best people. If you want to be a leader, then follow the right leader, right mentor. If you want to be great, then follow the great people. Don't be cheap. The 7th one comes is simplify everything. Hope you can see me. Simply, hope my spelling is right here. Simplify everything. Whatever you are doing, please try to simplify everything. The more you make it complicated, it will be a problem for you and for your fellow. Now, if you have some, I'll give an example. Why Uber and Ola has become so famous in India? Why there is no much competitor for it? Before we used to call a just dial and book a Meru taxi or city taxi, which used to have 2-3 people transaction. They will send a message and all those booking and all those things. But Uber and Ola came with an app. With just one click, we can know who is the driver, what is our destination to go. The bill comes online, the entertainment is on the app. Everything is on a one system. They made it so simple. That's why they are getting more paid. So try to, whatever you're doing, make it simple and clear and transparent so that your customer or whoever wherever you're working, be master and try to simplify it. You will get paid more. The 8th rule is go for excellence. Go for excellence. Now for this I would like to give an example. If you are earning for a living, then please don't earn. Earn to make it something best. You will be get paid more. You will be recognized in more in the society. If you're doing the same thing, I've shown you the 80% people are doing. If you're doing you will be in same trap and you will be never be reaching a success one level up. Okay? Don't follow others. Try to achieve, try to do excellent thing, best whatever you're doing. Even you are serving a tea, try to in such a presentable manner that you look out of anyone else who many people are doing it. Okay. The 6th, the 9th rule is don't be busy. Don't be busy. Many people I say I am busy, I don't have time, I cannot do extra work, or I want to start a business, I want to work. No, lot of reasons they give. You know why? Because they don't know difference between busy and productivity. If you're doing a productivity work, you will be not telling you are a busy. People don't know which is productive, which work has to be done first, second, third. That's why they are telling busy. They do. See, 20%, 80% of work gives 20% result, and 20% of productivity work gives 80% excellent result. Take the 10th rule is, I will write this side. 10th rule is take responsibility of everything. Take responsibility of everything. Whatever is happening in your life, take responsibility of everything. Again, do not complain, because if you have vision, you will take responsibility of everything. Whatever hurdles are there, you will take it. See, I am doing now video, my second baby is crying outside, but I cannot help. I cannot go outside and can stop the video and can go and convince her. Okay. Now sometime I do video in the morning, sometime in the afternoon as per my comfortable. But still outside you can hear her crying little bit. She's crying out there. But I cannot complain because it's my baby. I have given a birth, so I have to take care of her. Okay. So as simple of the example of that. And lead by example. 11th one is lead by example. Lead by example. So always if you want to be a leader, if you want to be paid more, you have to be in excellent, you have to do something new, and you have to lead by an example. See, I do a video, I am doing a lot of video. So I have observed that my 6-year son also, every time whatever I am saying, he will hear from the door and he will go and try to implement that. So he is capturing whatever I am doing it. See, if you don't lead by an example what you are doing, your kids will not follow you. And if they don't like you, then they will start follow Bollywood hero or anyone else. And that's why they will lose the track of their vision. Okay? So do lead by an example, whether you are with a discipline, you are doing exercise every day, whether you are keeping your things properly, keep your things properly, you are wearing a neat cloth, looking good, your kids also will do the same thing. You speak a right things to them, they will also respect you and reply you the same. The 12th and the most among this is the need to be self-disciplined. Self-discipline. Yeah, again my spelling is wrong, means please let me know. This is very important, self-discipline. If you are not self-disciplined, to follow these things or anything, whatever you're doing on a regular basis, you will lose everything whatever you are. Okay, it's very important. See, if you want your life to be easy, then you have to follow the hard thing. These are the hard things to become 4%. If you're not seeing my 4% video, please go the last video and I've explained there what is this 4%. Okay, so be self-disciplined and follow all the rules if you want to be success in life and achieve something. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please comment on the video. I'd like to know what is your question, anything about the online marketing, online digital marketing, any tools, how to promote a business. If you already have a business and if you want to scale up, I can give you such idea for no fees, nothing, for free of cost. Just write in a comment box. See, one idea can make you, can change your life. You never know. I'm not telling I'm an expert, but whatever I have learned from last 5 or 6 months, I can show you one small idea I can give you which can help in your business or in your work. Okay, thank you so much, and tomorrow we'll see the productivity actions to follow these rules. Thank you so much. Please comment and have a nice day. Thank you.